Hello, I have a hotpoint RFA52 ice diamond fridge freezer. The freezer is working okay, but the fridge is not. I want to check if there is a damper closed between the freezer compartment and the fridge compartment, but I am unable to locate any screws or access points in the fridge or freezer compartments. Being an AC engineer, this is now becoming a matter of pride, and stop the strange looks and getting form the misses. I have defrosted and turned back on, but am not confident that this will cure the problem. Many thanks.
Hello, your unit is a combination type. A frostless freezer but a frost type fridge, so there would be no damper between the freezer and the fridge. This would explain why there is nothing to remove in the fridge section. No screws or back panel. Not even an air vent. The fridge normally frosts up or would have water droplets whenever it is functioning normally. Now if the fridge inside back wall is just dry and not frosting up, then I would say you lack refrigerant. The fridge, being the last part of the cooling coil, starting from the freezer, would be the first part that would be affected whenever there is a lack of refrigerant situation. You, being an AC engineer, would understand that. You would probably notice also that the compressor is no longer cutting off, but rather, it just runs continuously. At least, being an AC engineer, you could probably be able to buy refrigerant and charge your refrigerator. You should also try to find the leak first in order to repair it, before charging with the right amount of refrigerant. I am sure you already know the SOP in charging a refrigerated system.
Thanks for your reply. The fridge is working when first turned on, the back is frosting up, the compressor running, condensed coil hot. But later the fridge is not cooling again. This is looking like a lack of refrigerant, but to get to the evap pipe work is not going to be easy in the fridge compartment, so how do I say that?
Hi, you cannot access the evaporator coil at the back of the fridge. It has been sealed with PU insulation. Look for the leak in the condenser coil and hope it is there and not on the evaporator coil, or else, you cannot repair it, but just keep on adding refrigerant every time it would no longer cool. But that is not a good idea. When the fridge stops cooling, is the compressor still running or not?
Okay, thank you for your help. We'll check for leaks on the evap coil in the freezer. You have been very helpful.
You are very much welcome. But if the compressor is stopping, that is why the fridge is no longer cooling, then you could have a problem with the thermostat and not lack of refrigerant.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.